kick in that front door and sit on the floor. I've got me a big old box, and it's got my name right on it. It says Jason. It's upside down, but it still says Jason. So stay tuned, and we'll get this open in just a second. Alright, not even a week ago, I got an email from someone over there at the Sakerplus, and they said they wanted to send me something to test. I'm pretty sure they said it was a torch. So, in this box right here, we're going to open it up, see what's in it. Now, I've seen a few different versions of these little torches. They sent me a link to look at what it was. I don't really care what it was. I like to play with fire. And alright. So this is the one we got. A little propane torch. I'm pretty sure it runs on a 1 pound tank. The box is pretty plain. There's just a little bit of info there. It looks pretty cool. I don't think it's supposed to be any big flamethrower or anything, but I believe it's supposed to light your campfires. Takes a 1 pound propane tank. It gives you your do's and your don'ts. I'll give you a screenshot of that in case you want to pause it. Comes packaged quite well. Actually, comes packaged real well. Not heavy at all. It's the only thing that's in the box. Pretty self-explanatory. Looks like there's no ring in there. Your dial gauge, the trigger. A spot for your plane. Alright, all jokes aside, looks like there's a lock and an unlock button. There's your sparker and that's your flame. So I guess the only thing is go find one of those little 1 pound green propane tanks. And me being me, I'm here in the van. Look what I found. Alright, hopefully there's something still left in it. This is from camping last year. Oh, we hear that? Do I light it in here? Yeah, I'll light it. Whoa! Okay, that's hot. We're gonna play with that outside. Give me a few minutes. Alright, I don't know if you can tell, but if you look around my yard, I got all these little patches of leaves here and there. Some over here, some by the wood pile. Just little piles where the wind's blown them up and they get stuck on something. So what I think we're gonna do is turn this on. We're gonna turn that lock off. We're gonna click that button right there. Oh, looks like I might have it turned up too much. So with that lock on, the button doesn't push. So lock off, click the button. Turn that up even more. Alright. Fire! 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 We'll play with it some more tonight. Okay, it's a little dark. I got the safeties on. Put this propane tank in here again. Turn this on just a little bit. Turn the safety off. Push the button down. The clicker's in the back. And that's how it just keeps on low. You could adjust it. You could adjust it with this little knob right here on top. Or you keep it low like that and push the button and come on. What kid doesn't really? What big kid doesn't like fire? All right, guys. Remember, smile while you still have teeth.